Are you looking forward on how to invite your friends on Discord? Then this video is for you. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can invite your friends on Discord. So let's get into it. First of all, open your app Discord and make sure you are logged into your account. You'll be landing on this page. Now click on 3 horizontal line on top left corner. Here it will show you the list of servers that you have connected to. Now click on the server that you want to invite your friends. So I would like to invite my friends to this server. Click on it. At the top you'll get to see the option of invite. Click on it. Different social media and many other options will be visible to you. If you want to invite your friend by sending the link of the server, all you have to do is click on copy link. And you can send this link to any person that you want through any social media. And now if you want to send a link through any other social media, all you have to do is click on the application. So let me invite my friends through Messenger. Click on Messenger. It will show you the list of friends that you have been connected to on Messenger. So I would like to invite this person on my Discord. All you have to do is click on send. You have invited this person to your Discord server successfully. Now that person will only have to do is click on the link that you just sent it, and he or she will be joining to your Discord server successfully. Well, this much for today, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.